Hey Tribe, Frisia here on Whack and welcome to another wacky episode. And the only reason I am going to call it a wacky episode because I know that the last couple of weeks on Whack has gotten a little intense and a lot of you were complaining in the comment section. A lot of people in the tribe were wondering where are all those good old Whack facts that I used to share, those crazy stories from around the world. So that's what I'm going to do this week. I'm going to take the pace down a little bit. I'm going to tickle your brain cells and we're going to have a whole lot of fun. A lot of times there are a lot of things that we say, phrases especially, and we really have no idea where they came from, what they exactly mean in the context of the sentence that you are saying. So that's exactly what we're going to explore this week. If you have a phrase that you want to share with everyone in the tribe, go ahead and do it in the comment section below. Don't forget there's all my social media handles as well where I love reaching out, where I love it when you reach out to me. There's my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and the tribe also has its very own Instagram handle. It's Frisia's Tribe. So go and check it out. So here it is on Whack today. Where did it come from? For Pete's sake, why are you going there?
Who the hell is Pete?
For Pete's sake, stop doing that.
Who the hell is Pete?
I don't know, man. She keeps saying it.
I have no idea.
An extension of for God's sake, this phrase is said to have two theories behind it. One is that just so that you don't take the God's name in vain, they decided to replace God with Pete, basically influenced by Saint Peter's. The other theory is that it is an extension of the phrase for pity's sake. That also then went on to have all of these synonyms. It has become so popular that in fact 26th of Feb every year is celebrated as For Pete's Sake Day. Many happy returns of the day. Thank you. Many happy returns of the day. But who is returning what to whom? Now this is an expression that we have heard even as children. In different parts of India and even around the world, it has its own expressions. Many happy returns of the day. Basically, what you are trying to say is that may this day return again and again. May you have many more birthdays, and so wishing you a very long life.
Oh, you look really cute. You're so nice. I love the way you wag your tail.
Hey, stop buttering me up.
Butter someone up. Now many people claim that this phrase actually has its origins right here in ancient India, where people used to throw little balls of butter and ghee at sculptures. In Tibet, there's an even older tradition of crafting sculptures out of butter, which was a sign of a bringing in of the new year, happiness and prosperity. But a lot of skeptics are saying that these traditions, they have nothing to do with the phrase, but it's only inspired by the imagery of putting butter on a slice of bread, just like spreading nice words onto someone.
So last Wednesday, I met Johnny and he came up to me and of course like he was smelling my butt and I was trying to tell him about this awesome... Hey, hello, are you listening to me? Stop giving me such a cold shoulder.
Give a cold shoulder. In medieval England, apparently it was customary to give a small piece of meat from the shoulder of mutton, pork or beef when the person wanted you to leave their house. So basically, if the host handed over that small piece of meat to you, he or she is politely trying to tell you, get out of my house. Why aren't you saying anything? Cat got your tongue? Cat got your tongue. This phrase goes all the way back to the 18th century when the English Navy used to use a whip that was called as the cat o' nine tails. And this whip, if you did get slogged by it, it was so intense that you would keep quiet for a very long time. Another theory is that in ancient Egypt, if you were caught lying or stealing, they would cut your tongue out and feed it to the cats. So that's where you get it from. Cat got your tongue. So that's it from me, Frisia, on Whack today. I hope you've liked this episode, keeping it light, keeping it easy, and I'm dying to hear from each and every one of you in that comment section below. Don't forget to press that notification button so that you get that notification every time a new video comes out. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe and help increase the tribe. I'll catch you again soon. Ciao.